Best outdoor speakers. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Best affordable. Treblab is famous for launching the best affordable portable Bluetooth speaker with dual connectivity. The device has a loud bass with a 20-hour battery and consumes 25 watts of power. Brand: Treblab. Best value. Legrand 7000 speakers are equipped with many favorable features to please the users. It comes with high-quality crossovers and glass woofers to maintain the quality of sound. However, it is suitable for every atmosphere because of its robust frame and best sound delivery options. Brand: Legrand-on-Q. Best outcome. Kicker two-way speakers are the best and impressive options when you want to buy the best outcome within an affordable range. Each 6.5-inch device is facilitated with horn tweeters and good bass, having a waterproof feature. Brand: Kicker. Best deal. Bose is the name of reliability and trust and has won the people's hearts by providing highly efficient outdoor speakers. The product can bear the intense weather conditions and consumes less energy with excellent battery life. Brand: Bose. Best overall. LG is one of the famous brands to provide durable and compatible products. The outdoor speaker is facilitated with Bluetooth and its playback time is 16 hours. You can manage to deal with rain, storms, and the device won't disappoint you in providing the best outcome every time. Brand: LG. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.